fuse is about 30 seconds or so. The anvil will be in the air about 4.5 seconds. Children with freckles should be warned to put their hands on their faces, because a concussion might knock the freckles off a small child if they're not well attached. All of you will benefit from having your mouth open, because the shock might hurt your ears. But if you have your mouth open, well, most of you do that all the time anyway. These anvils have been shot a long time and they're getting old. And you'll notice up at the top of the apogee, the anvil will spin around several times. That's the Lord looking at the anvil to see if it's time to take it home. Many times in Floyd's career, you would see that happen. The anvil just gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And if that happens today, I'll lose an anvil, but I won't grieve, because I know Floyd's there in heaven to catch it. And
all right.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
This is a good blacksmithing engineering hammer, multi-purpose cross-peen hammer.
It was Floyd's hammer too.
And one that came from Floyd's shop. And we would like to keep that in the family if the Franklins would accept this, maybe to pass along. It's also the anvil we use for the ringing of the anvil. So 100 or more good persons who love Floyd held that briefly and tapped it. And if y'all would take that, I don't know where that energy would be better put to than with y'all. Thank you, Amanda, and Dave, and Buddy.
And she knows
Buddy.
she did it.
Well, that's good. Well, you couldn't keep a secret from Floyd. That's what's nice. And I wouldn't say he was bad to gossip, but he was liberal to share what he heard.
Very.
Well, that's the only way you're supposed to do it. All right, buddy, it's going to be a big boat now. Just be ready. I put your head over it.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah. All right. Put this up. Woo!